Huffman, coming to you from Summit Point Shenandoah Circuit. The theme of this weekend is going to be a little bit different since I know the circuit very well. Instead of just focusing on trying to learn the course and get up to speed, we're going to focus on how to use data to learn how to go faster, even if you've been doing the track for a while.
Summit Point Shenandoah is a tight and technical circuit that, oddly enough, was paved with a crown. These characteristics provide opportunities to try non-traditional lines, just like at many hill climbs. However, besides just the stopwatch, which doesn't isolate specific track sections, how can you tell which particular lines are the fastest? Answering that question was the game plan for the weekend. For tools, I used the Race Chrono app on an Android phone paired to an external 10Hz GPS, the Garmin Glow. Together, these capture speed, lap time, split times, G-force, and many other parameters that can shed light both onto your choice of lines and your driving. I also employed a methodical approach where I only made one change each run on the course, trying to drive as consistently as possible, and then used the data to see if the change made me faster or slower. Now, a deep dive into the data nuances is beyond the scope of this video. Instead, I just wanted to run through a timed lap of Shenandoah using a traditional schoolroom approach, followed by an approach tailored to a momentum car like the RX-8. By the end of the weekend, I had figured out the optimal lines and focused on piecing them all together for that one flying lap. I divided the circuit into the following splits to isolate changes to each of the corners in which I tried driving variations. Let's compare the baseline sectors to the optimal sectors. Now let's take a look at a split-scene comparison to see how all those seemingly minor adjustments stack up after a full lap. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already, check out the full lap record video with data overlaid, and let me know if you enjoyed this intro to data analysis. Make sure to tune back in for next episode for our return to the steep and intense Weatherly Hill Climb.